Hey everyone, welcome to Sleepypod's video channel. Today we'll demonstrate the Clickit Range car safety harness. Sleepypod's Clickit Range harness is light and easy to use. Its uniquely engineered, streamlined design diminishes the risk of injury in accidents and sudden stops, helping to keep pets and the human passengers who ride with them safer in cars. Clickit Range has 3 contact points to reduce forward and lateral movement while helping to control a pet's rotation. The broad, shock-absorbing padded vest helps reduce damaging forces by spreading the force over a wide area. And Clickit Range even adapts to your pet's everyday needs. Outside the car, it can be used as a walking harness. There are 2 options for attaching a leash: the D-ring at the front of the harness or the double D-rings at the back. Later in this video, we'll discuss front versus rear leash walking in more detail. Clickit Range was crash tested using the 30-mile-per-hour child safety seat standard. It was then independently tested by the Center for Pet Safety, earning a 5-star safety rating. It is proven to be one of the safest car harnesses in an auto collision. Before purchasing Clickit Range, you need to determine the appropriate size for your pet. For safe travel, it's important to have a proper fitting harness. Measure around your dog's ribs, just behind the front legs, then record the length. Then refer to the chart on the Sleepypod website for the correct harness size. Open the 2 buckles on the back of the car safety harness. Position the broad, padded vest in front of the dog with the logo facing outward and in the center of the dog's chest. Let the dog step into the openings on each side of the vest. Buckle with enough room under both straps for a 2-finger distance between the harness and the pet. Attach your pet's ID and pet clip light to the front D-ring. To loosen the Clickit Range harness, hold the metal slide and pull the bottom strap. Then hold the metal slide and pull the plastic buckle. Finally, pull the metal slide towards the buckle. Repeat this step if necessary. To tighten the Clickit Range harness, pull the top strap and move the metal slide towards the vest. Repeat this step if necessary. Tidy the tail by rolling any excess strap, then secure the roll with the hook and loop fastener. Before traveling to any new destination, it's important to take some time to acclimate your pet to its new safety harness before a trip. Let your pet wear the harness around the house for brief periods, then use it as a walking harness. If your pet is used to riding loose in the car, adjusting to being confined in a small space might require extra acclimation time. Front leash walking is a great starting point for transitioning leash-pulling dogs to rear leash walking. Walking on a front leash redirects the dog's attention when it tries to pull, making it easier to correct the pulling behavior. Once your dog walks loosely at your side, attach a second leash to the rear D-rings to get your dog accustomed to the sensation of the rear leash. Then, gradually remove the front leash. Like child seats, pets should be placed in a rear passenger seat to prevent injury if the airbags deploy in an accident. For larger dogs, the buckle shield accessory prevents the pet from disengaging the seatbelt when stepping on the buckle. Refer to the video instruction link on its instruction card for a video tutorial on how to install it. For all dogs, install the S-Clip accessory included in the package. The S-Clip allows you to preset your pet's ideal seatbelt length and prevents the seatbelt from retracting further. First, pull out the entire length of the seatbelt. Slide the S-Clip onto the upper part of the shoulder strap. Make sure your pet is laying down, then insert the seatbelt through both loops on the back of the harness and buckle it into the car's seat buckle. Slide the S-Clip downward, allowing any excess seatbelt slack to retract. Make sure the seatbelt is taut. Your dog should be able to sit up, lay down, and shift position comfortably in Clickit Range. Take your pet on short outings before long trips. Treats and praise are helpful tools for acclimating your pet to its new harness. Now your pet is ready for safe travels. When it's time to clean Clickit Range, vacuum any pet fur from the vest. Use a damp cloth to clean the vest. For heavy soiling, hand wash Clickit Range in cold water, then line dry. You can find more information about Clickit Range and Sleepypod's complete line of products designed for safer pet travel at sleepypod.com. Safe travels!